this is basically your level of commitment. You know you don't know all of the aspects of the standard. You know you're going to make changes in your company. You know you need internal audits, and you also know you need management review. And if you were to bring on another branch to get certified, if you were also to bring on another standard, then it's an easy sort of transition to just add on those services. So sure results is essentially we're mapping out strategically on a yearly basis what we think you need based on your results, your upcoming internal audits, as well as your surveillance audits, and we'll map out your entire needs for a given year so there's no surprises and you're not caught off guard.